ready? Okay, let's start. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Venus and Ice Cream. Can you show that, please? Okay. Venus, can you see that, the poster? Venus and Ice Cream? So Venus and Ice Cream is a show play, a show drama about a group of students. Do you know what is a group of students? You are a group of students. A group of students and a teacher. And this teacher is called Mr. Carson. A teacher like Vicente Jimenez or like me, Mari Carmen Bo. Okay, we are teachers. So I repeat, the story is about a group of students and a teacher. And they will visit a museum. This museum, okay? The Bristol Museum. And this is one of the rooms they are going to visit, okay? And here, what can you see here? Two wonderful statues. What is a statue? Is a statue, pardon? Estàtues, per supost, molt bé, per allà les estàtues, okay? Good. And do you know their names? One of them is Venus, this is Venus, the girl, okay? And that is Sisa, okay? Bé, anem a veure, vaig a comprovar si efectivament heu seguit el que vos acaba de dir. Aneu a veure una, com es diu obreta de teatre en anglès? A play. Play, mireu, a banda de significar jugar, play football, a banda de significar tocar un instrument musical, el play de guitar, també significa obra de teatre. So you're going to see a play. Can you tell me the name of this play? Do you remember? The name of this play is? Who can tell me? One volunteer. Venus and the Ice Cream. Venus and the Ice Cream, good for you. Do you know the meaning of Venus and the Ice Cream? ¿Sabemos qué significa Venus and the Ice Cream? Venus y el Cela, perfecto. Very well done for you, okay. ¿Y de qué trata? ¿De qué trata la historia? What is it about? A group of students and a teacher who visit. What do they visit? A museum. Do you remember the name of this museum? Bristol, the Bristol Museum. And do you remember the name of these statues? Do you remember the name? Who can tell me? One of them is called... She's Venus. No recordaba. She's Venus. And he's Ice Cream. Is he called Ice Cream? A funny name? No. He's called Sisa. Lo del celular, lo del Ice Cream ja veureu, Vull dir, això és top secret. I can't tell you anymore. Ja no us puc dir res més perquè és secret. Que anireu descobrint al llarg de la història. Perquè es diu Venus and Ice Cream. Ho descobrirem després, bueno, ja està tot dit. L'únic que puc fer és despedir-me. I abans d'acomiadar-me, dir-vos we hope you have a good time with us. Thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, our present for you. It's a beautiful play and everything is true. The story is in the Bristol Museum. Our actors are great. Here you can see them.
Hurry up, girls. Hurry up. It's 10 to 5 and we are late. Come on. Delia, what are you doing? Come on, help, please. Now, in the room, as you can see, two interesting statues of 500 cares? It's 5 to 5 and we are late. Come on, hurry up.
Ladies and gentlemen, the museum is now closed.
The museum is closed and the doors are locked.
Never mind. What about the window? Don't be silly. There aren't any windows.
What can we do then?
Wait, that way. Who will wake you for? Mr. Carson, of course. He will come for us.
It's 2 minutes past 5.
Oh no, I'm so hungry.
Never mind.
I got some food.
I got an apple. Well, half an apple. Only half an apple for the bar.
I have also got some oranges. How many oranges have you got? 2, but all the oranges. And I have got some ice cream.
What's an ice cream? Venus, is this an ice cream?
Oh, it's cold and sweet. Have the best.
This cream ice is very strange.
No, it isn't actually. It's a chocolate ice cream, but who are you?
What me? What you?
We are students of Federal School Secondary School. We are not speaking.
I'm Minos, and this is Cesar.
Welcome to our home.
It is your home, but you have another solution for a computer or a different.
Turn off all that.
No, we have enough those things, but this is a beautiful house, and this is a beautiful bus. What is a beautiful bus? Oh no, the bus! The bus is broken. I'm very sorry. Never mind, we have got more buses here. Come and look. This bus is 400 years old and it's very beautiful.
Very great. I couldn't imagine that.
And this bus is 500 years old.
Wonderful, 500 years old.
Emma, where are you? Luis, Delia, hola.
Listen, Mr. Carson is calling.
Is Mr. Castro?
Please don't listen. Your teacher
become movie stars. But please remember this museum, these statues and these students of Pérez de Esplugues Secondary School. Thank you.
What about the story? Did you like it? Come on, tell me, did you like it? Yes. Who is the best actor for you? The best actress for you? Who? Who is the best one? Who, you? Are you the best actor? No. On the stage, who is the best actor? All of them are good actors, okay? Esteu d'acord amb mi? És la primera vegada que actuen davant de públic. Està bastant bé. La segona molt millor, maig feta. Està bastant bé. Un aplaudiment, un fort aplaudiment per a ells. Gràcies. Ara